With this Bosch Undercounter fridge, you can keep all your fresh fruit and veg looking and tasting its best. You get a dedicated area for storing all your favourite fruits and veggies with plenty of space in the multi-box drawer. It protects them from condensation, which helps to keep them fresher for longer and lock in all their nutrients. There's great visibility across every shelf, with every corner illuminated by the efficient and glare-free LED lights. Store your eggs without worry by keeping them tucked away safely in the integrated egg rack.